selling on Fiverr.com. So as we already learned how to sell and how to win a contest on 99designs.com or crowdspring.com, those crowdsourcing websites, and we also learned, and I have already teach you how to create a better items and how to make sales on graphicriver.net or other innovative marketplaces. Now I'm going to show you how to make money and how to sell your services on Fiverr.com. And what is Fiverr.com? Well, it's a marketplace where anyone can buy or sell a service or a product or a good for a $5. So as you can see, I can go through and browse, see your life in pixels, and I can browse through all those works. You can see this guy, I will draw you pixelated portrait for $5. So as you can see, it's an ad and it's called a gig. Everything in Fiverr is called a gig. So the people or the user or the customers want some kind of product or a service. Like in this example, they want to be drawn in a pixelated portrait. We will pay you a $5 and you are going to create this portrait in the average days of, like this guy has a 29 days. So it's quite a bit of time because he has a lot of orders in queue, 68 of them. Also, you can now you may ask me, well, what's so good about Fiverr? I mean, you can sell your services for $5 and you are going to create a mobile UI interfaces for $5. Isn't it too much? Isn't too little for us? Well, if I scroll down, you can see that this guy has a gig extras. So sellers can have gig extras for more than $5. As you can see, I will add a full body to your portrait for $10. I will add a complete scene of your choice in the background plus 1 day, and it's going to cost the user plus $40. So you already have about $55 in this case. But I want to mention one thing. If you are going to sell your service or a product on Fiverr for $5, but actually Fiverr takes from you a 20% off the sale. So if you sell of $5, you are going to get $4. Yes, I mean it's quite a much in this case if you are going to sell only for $5. But those jobs are really easy to do. I mean, you shouldn't take too much time on Fiverr for doing very complex jobs like creating unique mobile app designs or create unique mobile apps in general. Like we can write down mobile UI and see what we have here. You can see that this guy, I will design a mobile app UI UX for iOS and Android. Those guys are, he's from Indonesia and he has only 5 days on average, and he's going to make you a app design for $5 or more, like free with the gig extras. In this case, I will put the design in the mobile frame mockup to show it to your end client. And this one is quite common in Fiverr for UI UX designers. If the user is going to order the gig for $5, he is only going to get a photo of the app design. And if the user wants to get a PSD file with all the name layers and all the groups and then everything what was done in Photoshop, he is going to make an order for more than $5. It's going to be $20, right? And it's going to depend on how much the app screens he's going to order. So as you can see, if you are going to sell on Fiverr, you probably want to sell a service, not a product.